If you want a detailed tutorial on how I do these box braids, including the number of braids and the amount of packs, stay tuned. First and foremost, let's start off with parting. You guys, I am not a great parter. Honestly, I can't even say not a great. I am not a good, great. I am a horrible parter. But, you know, it really doesn't matter when you have tools. So definitely make sure you have a rat tail comb as well as your gel of choice. I'm using the Shine and Jam gel, you know, the regular degular braiding gel. And I just basically put that on the, I guess, how do I explain it? I put that on the little makeshift part I make, and then I smooth out the part by going in with my rat tail comb and using the gel, so it all works out. As far as how I split up the hair and actually made my parts into the 42 braids that I ended up having, I really don't know. I'm more of like a visual person when it comes to hair, so I really don't have like a method to it, but I just did what made me feel comfortable and I did what I felt best at. I sound crazy right now, I know, but yeah, parting really just all is with the rat tail and the jam, and then I just keep it moving. So you guys can watch that, and you know, if you have any tips or, well, actually I don't really need tips because I don't do hair. This is literally just something to do, and I know how to braid, so yeah. But I mean, you could always learn some more stuff, so definitely leave tips below if you want to. But yeah, watch me part. Oh, and I also put the Shine and Gem on the perimeter of the hair and scoop it up and then put a rubber band on it, just so I can save my parts, because I like to part first and foremost before anything. I do not like to braid and part, because I don't know, I braid really, really fast, I part really, really slow. So if I get the parting out the way, the braids just, you know, take no time. And this is what the 42 parts look like before we put any type of hair in it. Now we're about to divide the hair and put it on my little hair holder thing. And now for the hair. Honestly, y'all, like I said, I am a visual person, so I really don't know how I measured this out. I just did it based off of how I wanted the braids to look. But I did give you guys some facts. So I definitely did use I use 2 packs of the hair, but for the 3 bundles that come in the pack of hair, I use 9 pieces of hair total in each bundle and 27 pieces of hair for 1 pack, if that makes sense. So I hope that helps you divide it evenly. That's how I did it, and now that I have this video for reference, it's actually really good because when I do the braids again, I just know 27 pieces better come out this 1 pack of hair. So that's how I did it, and I basically just skipped each little holder because I didn't want the hair getting tangled and touching each other. I really wish that I could skip even more, like probably put a row in between them as well, but that's doing too much. But I ended up doing 27 pieces on this one, and 27 pieces on this first one, and I believe 15, if I'm doing the math right. I suck at math. I believe 15 the next time around, just to finish off the hair. So I just filled this up twice and I was done. So now for the braid. So to start my base off, I take the rubber band off and I coat it with the Shine and Jam again, just to make sure that my perimeter is jammy. And then I take my hair. But while I was editing, I realized that I was standing in the way. So honestly, literally, I promise y'all, I stopped editing like I'm doing right now, and I went to go braid for you guys. So I hope you guys are watching what I'm doing. Once I actually hook the hair on top of the on my hair, I just pull it tight and then just start braiding. I use that as my 3 strands. I do the 2 strands that I have for the braiding hair, and then I use my strand as the last hair. But now, as you see, that I'm taking a piece of that hair in one of the braiding hairs and adding it to my natural hair, and then I'm braiding it a little more, and then I'm taking another piece from the other half of the braiding hair and just making my hair thicker, and also giving it a sense of, I guess, security. But make sure y'all put gel on it. Add a lot of gel at this point because you do not want your hair peeking out. I didn't want to do that because, again, I was not planning on putting braids in my hair, so I did not want to put any gel or anything on there, and that's why the base looks like that too, because I was not planning on doing that. But yeah, back to her. So now let's get into securing the braid. Throughout the whole braid, I just put a little gel here and there, just when I need it. I don't try to cake the whole braid with a lot of gel because I don't want the braid to be stiff. But you know, every now and then put some gel on it just to remind it, hey, you're going to stay like this. But so as far as securing the braid, I do not use any glue, any matches, anything. Not matches, but lighters. You know what I'm saying. I don't use anything to seal it except for braiding it all the way down and using gel to basically seal it off. If you braid it all the way down, it will not unravel, at least from my experience. But just make sure at that end point you do cake it with gel, like cake it like your life depends on it. But now we're just about to speed it up, and maybe you can see the process a little more on her hair here. Nope, you cannot, because I'm in the freaking way. Y'all, I promise you guys, I'm going to learn how to hold the actual camera and stuff. It was just me and her, so it was kind of hard to like ask somebody, hey, can you see if like I'm in focus, you know? So I will get better on actually recording the actual hair. I'm used to recording myself, so it's a lot different. But I got you guys. But yeah, you guys can just keep watching. Make sure you guys look at the braid info, the box braid info, to get all the details. Screenshot it if you need to, because I hate when I go into the store and I don't know what I need, how I need it, and you know, things of that nature. But yeah, take care, and yeah, keep watching. Thank you guys. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe, and make sure you share this video because we having box braids and just braids in general all summer. Okay, keep the hair neat and tight and right. Okay, but yeah, see you guys later. we are finally done. I don't know how long this took me, so I'm not even going to answer that part. But you guys know a style is not a style, at least when I'm doing it, unless we add some mousse. Unless we add some mousse. So I definitely added some mousse to her hair, but I definitely put the towel down underneath the hair because I'm about to add some hot piping water, and I just didn't want to drench her clothes. I don't really care about burning her. I'm joking. No, I did care. Kidding. She's my sister. Just jokes. But yeah, I didn't want to burn her, as well as I didn't want to get all her clothes wet. So I just made sure that I coated the hair with a lot of foam. I love foam. I am a whore for foam. And then I got that. I just use something random that I don't use, and I'm putting her hair in it with the piping hot water just to seal everything, just to mold it into what it needs to do. Let these braids know, hey, you're not going anywhere, okay? You're not going anywhere. Let it sit for a little minute. I'm always impatient with this part of the process, so don't be me. I'm actually kind of letting it sit for, no, I'm not. You see, impatient. And then put the water down and use your towel and do exactly what I'm doing, because you do not want curly ends, okay? Make sure you go all the way down really, really slowly and just squeezing the hair. Squeeze it. But yeah, that is all. Again, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to just show me love, you guys. I am really passionate at what I do, and I just want to show the world. So keep supporting and keep sharing and keep liking and keep subscribing. Thank you.
It's my birthday, I deserve to be greedy, huh?